Hey guys, this is Daniel here, reporting from Austin, Texas. Today is my first day here. I'm going now to Best Buy to get some equipment and GoPro cameras for special shooting tomorrow with Noam. He and John are gonna be joining me later on this evening. Really exciting, so stay tuned. Bye now.
Hey guys, so yesterday I completed the wireframes for our new website, so our designers should start working on it any day now, so pretty exciting. And I continued working on our delivery, drones delivery protocol and completed it, so it's already in our GitHub repository and will soon be uploaded to our developer portal. I started building today a new communication protocol for car parking. So I'm starting to deepen the research there, and this will be the next communication protocol, so coming soon. That's it for today. Thanks guys.
Hey, so yesterday I worked with Lior on 2 new communication protocols. Those 2 are now live on the developer site. I also interviewed 2 new developers and did a sort of a high-level overview for different projects, speaking with different team members, making sure we're on track. Today I'm continuing with that, as well as interviewing 2 new developers. This whole interview mania is going to ease up soon, as we have a new team leader joining us in a few weeks who's going to help me with that. I'm also working with Timmy today on integrating a few new additions to the Missions app and to Mission Control. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. So, Friday of last week I was working on a few content pieces. This week we have some new Medium posts that are going to be launched on some advisor announcements, so a lot of exciting things happening there. Also went ahead and did a good amount of work on our new website, so we've been doing a lot of back and forth on the drafting for that. The web wireframes look really good, so really excited about the new website. And then also working on just our overall paid marketing strategy. Today a lot of my time and focus has been towards that paid marketing strategy, getting a new hire that I have on that regard up to speed, so that's pretty much been most of the day. And then beyond that, working on the website as well, continuing on updates there, working on some banner ads as it pertains to the paid marketing strategy, and then also some great advisor updates as well, which will be coming to you guys soon. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hi guys, today is again sunny day and I start my beautiful work. Last week I finished 5 amazing visuals reflect our keywords: innovation, cutting edges, futuristic, sleek, sexy. Later I'll make a new 5 visuals, we use it for publish in social networks. And today is a great day, I'm starting to create our new website. I use pure colors and simple forms. Follow the future with us and see you tomorrow.